Good morning, APS. How are you all? That I can see the Josh in all of you. Children, you must have heard about time and tide wait for none. Time is money. Invest your time wisely. Hannah? So, with this, today I'm going to talk about time, which is a terrific, intelligent master that makes you efficient if you are not following it. But it can be a trustworthy, intelligent master if you are using it wisely and efficiently. Right? You agree with this? That if you use the time wisely, you become a clever and a very successful person in life? Is it true or not? How many of you use the time wisely? I can see very few hands because yes, you do not know how to use time wisely. See children, whenever we have a plan in a family, if we have some occasion, you must have seen your elders sitting together, deciding the goals, deciding the strategy, and then completing the task very successfully. And if gets successful, then everybody gives you a congratulation. You also want to listen congrats for yourself. Sometimes when you go for a competition and if you are a winner, you get a lot of medals, you get a lot of laurels for the place, for yourself, for your family. You get a name fame. Is it?
Yes, Bolo.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
So time also brings victory for you. Right? When we talk of time, we have to use it very wisely. For example, being a student, if you get up early, it is good. If you do not get up early, that is also good. Doesn't matter. But you have to be very wise while making your schedule. Make your schedule and according to that, make small blocks. Prioritize your work according to the priority. For example, if you are very weak in maths, start with maths. Give 20 minutes to maths, then come on the other subject, then other, then the other. So this way you will prioritize your list and this will give you a proper schedule of learning. And you will see that your parents, your teachers, and even you yourself, you're going to win. And when you make your small chunks, you divide your work in small chunks, you are able to complete that within 25 minutes. One task in 25 minutes, take a break for 5 minutes. This is the way you are rejuvenating yourself and you're making yourself wiser day by day. So I hope all the children of the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 classes, they are going to schedule themselves in a proper timetable, time frame, make small blocks. As Elon Musk also says, he is the millionaire in the world. You must have heard the name of Elon Musk. He has given this block technique. He divides his work in small blocks and he says that at the end of the day, just give 10 minutes to yourself to make a schedule for the following day. Next day का schedule आप रात में बना लो and you will see that you are making those blocks very useful and you can also become a millionaire one day. You will understand how to invest time and this time will give you money for your future. It starts working for you. Warren Buffett also says that invest your time today wisely and time will work for you in the form of money. You will get big gains in life. So prioritize, schedule, prioritize, make small blocks for yourself and then be regular to it. Make a schedule for the following day. These 5 things will give you great ideas in life and you are going to rock in your life. Children, you must have seen all the footballers. Messi, Ronaldo, India का है हमारा सुनील छेत्री, वाचिंग भूटिया, नेमार. They all are very famous because they use the time wisely. One goal in the goal post on time gives them a victory. Yes or no? You all agree? Otherwise, what happens? The time of 90 minutes goes off and they have to again stand in the penalty shootout. And if that penalty shootout is not used wisely, then it goes to a draw. So everybody wants to win and lead. So we must use the time wisely. So at last, I just want to conclude with a very happy scene you must have observed on television. Close your eyes for a minute. Let's move to the stadium where we were playing the cricket match, and that was the ball of Sky, Surya Kumar, where we hit the target and the match was won by India. Can you feel that catch and feel that bowling and the catch Surya Kumar Yadav took that time? That made us win and we won the International Championship of Cricket. Do you remember that? So with that happy note, you also be victorious in life. Please make the time not a terrific master, but a very trustworthy master for yourself, and be efficient and win on each and every step of your life. God bless you all. Use the time wisely. Bye bye, children. Thank you.